I want to make videos, but I'm so awkward. That's one thing I forgot about making these types of videos out in the real world. People exist and they're real, and I'm out here just like recording my life, and I have a camera with me. You definitely get looks when you bring cameras to places and just kind of like record stuff. It's a little nerve-wracking, bro. A little nervous. It's been a minute since I've made some of these videos. It's actually the first time I've been outside and in public in a little while. Today's been a really good day. I met another biker buying tools to fix this up today. I waved to a random car guy just about 5 minutes ago. Baby's back up and running.